G'day guys, how are you? I am here today out at the beautiful Wivenhoe Dam. I'm just here at the boat ramp and I've just back down, unloaded some gear. I have got right there my inflatable kayak, a seat for the kayak, a electric outboard motor, a lithium battery pack just down in there. I got my drone, I got a bit of tackle, bait, I got a bag full of coldy goodness so I can keep stuff cold. I got a shirt down there that I can change into, and I have got this, the tiny little, look at how little it is. It's the mini rod, and we're gonna go and see if we can catch a fish on this tiny little mini rod in the kayak. Yeah. Well, there we go. We're out on the water, and electric motor pushing along. We're making some time, cruising along, and I've just got the electric motor set to straight, and I'm using the paddle to steer, just like that. It's pretty windy today, but we'll see if we can find a fish. That'll be good. All loaded up with the kayak, and yeah, just got a lure towing there at the moment. Using the paddle to steer. Electric motor's pushing us along just nicely. Coming a bit of ground with a spinner bait, and hopefully we can pick up a bass or a yellow belly. That'd be nice. Rightio, it is time. Pull out the mini rod and see how we can go with it. It'd be funny to see if we can catch something on this thing. It is tiny, and we'll see how we go. Mini rod, let's go. Okay, we've got a fish on the mini rod. Just bought the very quiet day on the water. And there you go, first fish on the mini rod. You got a little barred grunter. So there we go. There we go, little barred grunter. See you, mate. Well, where's he going?